Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Please hit subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'm just a bit concerned because I've been reading in the news a lot of articles of people complaining about Airbnb, threatening to not use it anymore. And they're quite upset about the cleaning fees that are charged by some hosts. I'm also quite concerned too because some of the experts on YouTube who talk about Airbnb hosting, they also recommend charging huge fees for cleaning. At least some of them do. I don't agree with this. I think we're in the hospitality business, and I know the idea behind some of it. They want to recoup some costs, from some of the discounts that you can offer. So there's some logic to it, but I think, guests must feel bitter about it when they don't realize there's a $200 cleaning fee or $300 cleaning fee. I charge about $40 to $45 per stay, so for cleaning fee. And I checked, I spied on the local hosts, and they also charge about $45, $40 per cleaning. So if you stay for a month or you stay for a week, that's $40, $45 for cleaning. I guess, I sort of look at it to encourage guests to stay longer. So yeah, I'm quite concerned if people are turning away from the system because they feel like they're getting gouged. That's not good for any of us. So I hope Airbnb is thinking of doing something about this. And I also or rather than that, I hope hosts are just going to regulate themselves and not be, silly about it. It shouldn't be a price gouging. It should be hospitality. But yeah, please let me know what you think in the comments below. I would love to know what you think. And I have watched videos by other YouTubers talking about Airbnb hosting, and some of them do recommend charging huge prices, but I just think it's really hurting everyone by doing this. And I'd hate to see us lose a lot of people because of it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.